My person then also.
Now there, go.
You know what, B?
No.
If you stand, I shoot. If you move, I shoot. Even though you disappear, I shoot. Anything you do, I shoot.
Okay, what do we go do now?
My brain, move my head. Hey, come back. Come and put it there to the thing you should blow before I blow your head off your brain.
I bet.
You wait for this car. After this people, I'll come to you. Come back with that bottle of Coke. If I don't taste it, bring the Coke. Bring the one hundred. If you know what you are on, if you know even what, make I talk. Bring him.
Okay, I beg now.
I tell you, say don't beg me if I fix it. If you know what you are doing, if for the peace put for club by now.
Okay, I beg. Why we not?
Don't make noise, I know they let noise.
You keep quiet.
Okay, I beg now. I beg. No shoot off.
My friend, keep quiet.
Somichi.
Don't talk where I am talking.
Udoka. Oh no, that is not going to intimidate us now. You know what?
What are they doing for them? In fact, all of you give me your phone. Give me your phone. Even I just let it, okay. Bring them. I just lost my phone last week. Make una bring them. As I lost my phone, they don't pity me. Bring them back. Mona, bring them.
Okay, I beg now.
The way did they give me? Oh my! I know they waste bullets. I forgive you one for years now.
I beg, no matter give me.
Okay, I beg.
But give me the phone. They carry out of blessing. They ask you question for class. Come and give me. I did say they important for this part because they use and they make call. This way I go see them. Wait, I must buy that first one when you give me.
Got that for now 20,000, I beg.
I go sell that one for tomorrow. How much you buy your own?
My own 50,000.
I go sell for memory card tomorrow. How much you buy your own? Shut up! None of people that say they smoke, small picking the smoke. How much you buy your own? 1.5. Now 200 I go sell it. Now this guy never give me food. My friend, give me your food. I didn't talk in the talk. My friend, give me your food. This guy don't give me food. Give me food.
I need my phone better to now.
I'm gonna show one for all because shit for you now. Give me your food.
I need to give her my phone. I'm going to carry
When I know heavy, tell him I'm gonna shoot them more.
I don't agree. I need to give her my phone.
Oh my, tell him I'm gonna agree.
Oh my God.
I don't agree. My phone.
Give me this phone. Give me your phone. These people will give. If I tell person, give me your phone. This voice to somebody. Give me my phone. Now my phone for now. Give me my phone.
Okay, they no one give you the
You know what? Give me. Okay, well, if there's any shot of it, I'm gonna shoot you now. Thank you for watching the Funny Love National Entertainment Comedy. I hope you like it. Watch us on Monday and on Friday. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, very important. Because if you don't subscribe, I kill myself for you. This is a real God, don't think say a lie. I go just kill myself. I only make you subscribe. Subscription is okay. I don't tell. Stay from the beginning.